Hi everyone, this is Jacob again. In the last class, we went over some effective outlining strategies for you when writing in college. In this class, we're going to talk about writing effective introduction and conclusion paragraphs, both what these paragraphs are supposed to do and how writing them plays into your writing process. You've probably learned that writing academic papers requires writing an introduction and conclusion paragraph. The introduction is intended to set up your reader for what they're going to read in your paper and let them know what you intend to accomplish and how you're going to do that. It also includes your thesis sentence, which is a sentence that basically says the objective of your paper. If you're making an argument, for instance, it'd be your conclusion. The conclusion comes at the end of your paper and summarizes what you've discussed and restates that central aim so that your reader can keep in mind and determine whether you've accomplished it or not. Writing an introduction and conclusion can also help you in the editing process to see if everything's relevant. We talked last class about outlining, and an introduction serves sort of as an outline to your paper later on. So, when you're editing your paper, if something doesn't work well in your introduction, or if when you're stating your intention through the paper, something that you talk about later on really just doesn't seem to fit in, well, then maybe that's not totally relevant, and you should rethink it. It's important to keep in mind, though, it's usually best if you write your introductions and conclusions after you're done with the first draft of the rest of your paper.